going on, YouTubers? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to refill your inkjet cartridges. This is a Cannon PG-240, but a lot of them are pretty similar. So you're going to need a couple things here. First, you're going to need your ink refill. I got this from Amazon. I'll have my affiliate link below. This is like 550 milliliters, so it's going to fill this up a lot. In fact, I paid around 20 bucks for this, and just to buy one refill, that was $20 alone. So you can only imagine how many times this will refill this cartridge right here. So what you're going to need here are some gloves, just in case. All right. Put on some gloves so you don't get your hands all inky. It came with this syringe needle for the refill as well. So here, what we're going to do, I'm just going to put something underneath so I don't get this white counter all inky as well, just like a little mat. Use whatever you want here. So see the diameter of this needle here? I got a nail here a little bit larger than that diameter. So what I'm going to do here is hold it like this, but first you're going to peel back the sticker here. And right here is where we're going to insert that nail. Okay? A lot of people, you'll see some people using a screwdriver, a screw, but I think this is going to work better. So this is the first time I'm doing it. So put this on your stove. Careful you don't burn yourself. Get this red hot. Okay? Alright, I think it's hot enough. So now that it's hot, we're going to just put it right here and push it through. Alright, we're through. See? We are all the way through. That's it. So we are all the way through now. So turn off the stove. Next, what you're going to do is take a piece of tape. Actually, what you do is put the tape on before you do all that, so it'll cover up this glue. I mean the ink. Cover up all the ink here with the tape. Alright, so now we have that. We're going to open this up here. Let me see, shake it up a little bit. Alright, open this up here. And let's open this. Just like that. I'm going to fill it up with 5 milliliters. Here. Alright. Put this in here, like this. Going 5 milliliters. Boom. Now that we have 5 milliliters here, grab yourself a glue gun. Put a little plug in that hole, so it just seals it better. And then I'm gonna cover it up. So, see, just like that, just like that. Boom. Now close it off with the tape. Okay, boom. Alright, So we're going to let the ink settle for about a half an hour, and we're going to pop it in the printer, see if it's printing again. Okay. Alright, so here's my Cannon MG2120. What we're going to do is just push this back, push this down right here, take this off like this, okay, pop it in, pop this up, reclose it, close that like that. Alright, so now see if it prints.